Hey y'all, my name is Miss Toto and I am from Chicago, Illinois, and you are watching Sickening Drag Performances. Make sure you go down there and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button so you know that when we upload a new video, you are ready to watch it. If you want to see me turn out this sickening Captain Hook look, keep watching and you will see me go from this to this. Alright, so now that I am done with this sickening Captain Hook mug, let me slip into something a little more sickening. I have no tea. I would say that I am never involved in drama. I never know the tea. Bitch, I ate that. Okay, you cannot tell me I'm not a makeup artist. I can tell myself that I'm not a makeup artist, but no other bitch can tell me that I'm not a makeup artist. Toto in Spanish slang means pussy. And it's also a brand of toilet. So, so right now I'm about to use the Morphe 247 finger brush. Every booking, gone. It's fine, it's fine. Just like 10,000 potential dollars that I no longer have. But it's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. It's fine. That's what I just keep telling myself, even though it's really not fine. But there it is. I was like, did I forget this shit? I'm going to lose it. .gov. Wait, how do we do this? They cover the mirror. I've like literally watched no makeup tutorials, so I don't know how this works. I don't know what they do with the mirror. I'm just gonna use them all. I don't even know why I'm acting. Like, I'm going to use all of these. I typically like got 80 units of Botox in my forehead. Usually people get 15. Well, I just like don't want to move at all. Like people just think I'm a bitch anyway just because I look that way. And I'm like, no, my face just literally doesn't move. Oh, I love this. What is this? Virgo moon. Virgos. That's the name of the shade, but Virgos. I think that's it. Ooh, beach. Yeah.